Good morning, children. Welcome back to our online class of computer studies. Children, in the last class video, I've already explained you about chapter 5, that is Introductions to Java and BlueJ. So today, I'm going to show you practically how to write the program in a Java, how to compile and how to display the output. Children, first let me tell you, you won't get this BlueJ by default in your computer or laptop. You have to install. Now installation means you need a software. From where you will get a software? Children, if you have internet connections, you have to open the Google. You can type BlueJ free download. Then you'll get this link, bluej.org. You can see in the screen, bluej.org. And when you bring the cursor down, you'll get here. This for Windows, this for Mac, Ubuntu and others. So those who are using like Apple, iOS and all, they can use this one, Mac OS. And for Windows, we can use this one, Windows. So once you click this one, you'll get the download options. You'll find the download will start to take certain time based on your internet speed. And finally, the download will be completed and you'll get the icon like this. Okay, BlueJ Windows part will be there. Children, you have to simply double click this one. Then whatever instruction is asked, basically they will ask for the next to click. You have to click on the next until unless install options comes. So when install option comes, you need to click on the install and finally the installation process will work and you will get the close options when installation completes. So when you get the close options, you will get like this type of icons. Okay, a bird shapes named as BlueJ. So you have to just double click on this one. So when you double click on this one, this BlueJ applications, this is application, okay. This BlueJ is an application which is used to type, compile and run the Java programs. Now see children, you will get the window somewhat like this. Let me make the full screen. So right now see everything is disabled. Initially you get everything disabled. You have to click on the project, click on new project and keep the name of the project. So children, I'm giving class 8, okay. You are not allowed to give space and all. So without space you can give class 8. This is the project name. So children, project name I've given as class 8. Location you can see by default C user Suman. Even you can change the locations. Then click on the OK part. See children, when finally your project is ready, you will get the screen somewhat like this, where new class and compile and these buttons are like arrow button, okay, which is inheritance relations. So these three are like active. So children, will click on the new class first. Say today we are going to do a first program. We'll learn how to add two numbers. How to add two numbers, two different numbers, how to add. So children, our class name is say addition. I wrote, okay, you can write in capital, small, doesn't matter, but it's a case sensitive. Whatever you write here, same we have to follow in programming also. And here you have a class type, so many different types are there, but from here you have to select class options, okay, because we are following object oriented programming concept, where class and object are the two important part of programming, and Java is the part of that. So we'll click on the OK options. You'll get icons over here named as additions. In small letter I have written, you have to simply double click this one. Children, double click means 2 times you have to click the left mouse button, okay, very fast. You get another screen like this. See, something is written, okay. We can simply select this all. Either you can use the mouse for dragging like this, or you can use the shortcut from the keyboard. Okay, shortcut from the keyboard is CTRL and A together. Children, what is the shortcut from the keyboard? That is CTRL key and A key. Together if you press, entire part will be selected. Then from the keyboard again you have a delete option. You can click on the delete options. Okay. Is this clear children? For selection, entire selection, what I did is Ctrl plus A, or you can even press the left mouse button and you can drag it for all selection. Then use delete key for deleting. You will get the empty blank screen. Okay children. So children, first of all, The class name we have given as addition, you can see at the top also it's written in small letter. So same thing you need to write, and class is a keyword, so in small letter you have to write class. Then addition. Addition is the name what we have given. Okay, so same cases you have to write here, but class is a keyword, so you have to write in small letter only. You can see it turns to red color. Then press enter key, you will come to the next line, use curly bracket. Okay children, curly bracket you have to use. Then after that you have to write public, P-U-B-L-I-C, public, then S-T-A-T-I-C, static, then void, then main. Okay, public static void main, all in small letter. Then you have to use the bracket, and for addition of two numbers, the input is what? Two number you have to ask from the user, then only you are going to perform the calculation. So int space a is the first number, comma, int b the second number, then shift and bracket is closed. Then we'll press enter key, again curly bracket starts. Okay, now see public static void main, int a comma int b. Now a and b are the two variables, and int means they will hold only the number without decimal values, integers number. Okay, int itself is a keyword, and a and b are the two container where two user input values will be stored. Say for example a is 10, b is 20, then answer will be 30. Okay children, now the calculation will be stored in another number variable, that is c is equal to a plus b. Okay, that means c is again another integer type variable which will hold the addition values of a and b. And finally our work is over, because our work was addition of two numbers, where two numbers we asked from the user, and finally we have added the two numbers and stored in the variable c. Okay children, up to this much is clear. So our input part is over, our process part is over, now our output part is there, because every program has three parts: input, process and output. So children, for output in Java we have to write system S, but S should be capital children. It's a keyword, so you have to follow the capital and small letter. Okay, keywords cannot be changed, and Java is a case sensitive language, so you have to follow the capital letter and small letter. Rest all are small. System dot out dot print. Okay, then bracket and semicolon, and what we are going to print children? Say we are going to print addition of two number. So children, this is a message, okay, like what you want to display in the screen. You can even write result addition only, sum equal to, okay, anything, like any message what you want to display. So that message should be inside system.out.print inside double inverted comma. Okay, you can see double inverted comma I have used. Then finally after this, then plus. Now this plus is not for addition children. Every time, even for subtraction also you have to use the plus sign. Okay, for multiplication also you have to use this plus sign. It is because see, one group of character is there, that is addition of two numbers equal to, and beside that only will display our answer. So for that on purpose only this plus has been used. Now plus the result is stored in C, so we'll use C over here. Then we'll come down, we'll close the curly bracket. See, when I'm closing, the upper part is also highlighted. Press enter, again another curly bracket we need to close. So children, let me make this a little bit more bigger inside so that it will be visible for you. Control plus equal to you can press also from keyboard. Okay. So children, you can see this is our program. This is a very simple program. Here what we did is we performed addition of two numbers. For that the input part was two numbers, that is a and b. I assumed both are integers number, integers value, that means without decimal. Okay, and like without decimal numbers, if you add, then answer will also be in without decimal only. Okay, that means integer only. So int c. and finally the process is over. So we'll display for displaying system.out.print without space, where S is capital, and inside that if you want to display the message you have to use double inverted comma. You can write anything. This part is user defined, children. We can write in small letter, capital letter, doesn't matter, because this is the thing which compiler is not going to check. The same thing will be displayed on the screen. Okay, so here we can simply give a message like result equal to, sum equal to, addition equal to, or addition of two numbers, okay, like that. But you have to use this double inverted comma. This is very important, children. So once this part is completed, you have to use plus, because beside that you are going to display the answer. Okay, maybe for addition, maybe for subtraction, maybe for multiplication, for all you have to use this plus. Then the variable which is holding the answer, that is C. Okay, and we'll close the curly bracket for function, we'll close the curly bracket for class. So after completion of the programs, we'll go for compile, because children, user definition is it help us, or it allow us to write the program we have written. Now we'll compile the program. See children, in compilation what happened, we have written the program in human understandable language, that means high level language. This part should be converted to machine languages. Okay, for converting into machine language, what happened is, for converting into machine language, compiler is required. So we have clicked on the compiled option. In compiled option, this part will be compiled, okay, and it will be converted to machine language. Now the compiler will check all the things. If any error is there, it will display. Like suppose if I'm missing semicolon, now if I'm compiling, see, I get errors found in the class. Okay, so something like this will get. Now if everything is correct, and if you compile, you get no syntax error. That means everything is correct. Okay children, when everything is correct, you will get class compiled, no syntax error. This means every part, whatever we have written, all is correct. So once all is correct, we'll close the Java, this BlueJ. Okay, we'll close here. Close button is there. We'll click this one. Now see children, before it was lining like this was there. I'll just show you. Before it was like this. So many lining was there. Now once everything is compiled, you will get see, so nice one. Okay, without any line. So when you get without any line, simply right click there. You will get void main. You can click on the void main. You will get a two box. Inside the box also children, you can see there is int a, int b, that means value of a and value of b you have to type. Let us take value of a as 10 and value of b as 20. Any number you can take, your wish. Okay, integer number but without decimal. Click on the OK. See children, you got the answer. Let me make it big. See, addition of two numbers is equal to 30. So children, today we have just learned that how to write the program, how to compile the program, and how to run on the program. These are the basics in basic. Okay, like these things only when we do in advanced level we can make a calculator. Okay, we can make so many different type of application. So these are made by this sort of coding only, and the coding like a beginner level, the starting level is what today I have shown. So children, those who have laptop, computer, okay, you can download BlueJ. I have shown you how to download. Okay, you can install it, you can practice this one. Okay, so that it will be like very good for you. You can utilize your time. Okay children, so after completing this, you can go for the option and you can clear it, so that the like output part will be cleared again. Okay, then close it. Now children, if you want to do another program, say for subtraction, you can click here and you can write here subtraction and press enter. Okay, you don't have to create a new project every time, only once. Now you can click on the subtractions, you can select all, Control plus A, then delete, and you can write the program here. Clear children? Rest step everything are same.